For this lesson, this part was important. That's why I separate the video of this part from the previous part. For this lesson, we have two videos. That's why. Here we are going to learn how to solve the linear equation, and we are generally using for the grouping the like terms together. So known terms at one side, unknown terms at the other side. It's going to be. Here, every operation has inverse operation. I'm going to define something like this. For addition, operation is subtraction, and for subtraction, addition. So addition and subtraction inverse to each other. Here, multiplication and division. Multiplication's inverse is division. Division's inverse is multiplication. It's going to be. So multiplication and division also they are inverse to each other. And with respect to this information, we are going to solve the question. When I say x minus 4 is equal to 9, x minus 4 is equal to 9, I have two type of term here. X is unknown term here, or variable unknown term for me. 4 and 9, they are known term for us, which is number, or we can say given value. Here, for the solutions, we are collecting the unknown terms to one side and numbers to the other side. And we should be careful about the operation between the unknown term and the number. At the left side, if the operation is addition, when you are sending to other side, you should make when you are sending to other side. For the equality sign I am talking, if there is addition, when it goes to other side, it becomes subtraction. I want to explain on the exercise directly. Here I have x minus 4 is equal to 9, and I'm going to send to leave x alone for the solution, because you need to leave x alone for the solution. When you want to send minus 4 to the other side, it's going to be x is equal to 9 plus 4. This minus 4 becomes plus 4 at the other side. So minus 1 goes to the other side and it becomes plus 4. So we are writing like this. X is equal to 9 plus 4, which is 13. If I solve the second exercise here, x plus 7 is equal to 11. Now operation is plus, which means addition between x and 7. I'm going to send the 7 to the other side. For the addition, inverse operation is subtraction. So when we have addition on the left side, if we are moving to other side, the operation becomes minus. So x is equal to 11 minus 7 it must be, and x is going to be equal to 11 minus 7 is equal to 4 going to be. Okay, the next operation is 4 times x is equal to 20, and here we need to clearly define. When I see 4x, I'm going to understand that here I'm writing, it's better to write here maybe. 4x means 4 times x. So the operation between them is multiplication. We should define that one clearly. So I'm going to send the multiplication to the other side. When I send the multiplication to the other side, I'm not going to change like subtraction. I'm going to send to other side and I'm going to make division, and it becomes like 4x is equal to 20 over 4, and x is equal to 20 over 4 is equal to 5. Here the important part, when I am sending multiplication to the other side, I'm not changing the sign. This is very important. Do not change at multiplication the sign. Do not change at multiplication the sign of the coefficient. Okay, the last one is going to be The last one is going to be x over 6 is equal to x over 6 is equal to 4. Now 6 goes to other side and the operation is division. When you have division, the inverse of division is multiplication. So when 6 goes to other side, it's going to be multiplied. X is equal to 4 times 6 and x is equal to 24. It's going to be